Hey, we're going the wrong way.
No, we're going back around this way.
Yeah. I kind of like these kind of Corvettes a little bit. I like the early 80s ones.
Better ones than I did the ones after that. The ones after that they made up until they made this new body style. I didn't care much for that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, like the new body style, the ones that body style before that.
You mean you like them with the motor in the front, not the middle?
They ain't got them in the middle yet, do they?
Yes, they do. That's how Mark's is.
Oh. No, I ain't seen Mark.
You ain't seen it? Wow. Well, that's the only time that I've seen it.
Oh, okay. I didn't think they started putting them in the middle yet.
Yeah. See, these are the ones that I like this body style, and, you know, with the wraparound back, you know, and like the bigger back seats, or not back seats, but the bigger back.
Yeah.
You know, and before this, they just came down, like so fast.
Had a lot of work at it. I know it. That's all part of it. Main part.
This is a 2002.
Is it?
And it has less than 42,000 miles on it, I think.
That's not much, is it?
No, it was a showroom car.
It was what?
It was a showroom.
Oh, okay.
It's set for many years.
Man, that's an old truck right there.
We were just talking
Real
about
old.
that little boy that just saw one of his new ones. He was saying, I haven't seen it yet. He was telling me, I didn't know he was saying one.
Oh, actually, I've seen the new ones where the engine is in the back.
Is it in the back or in the middle?
Well, it's closer to the middle, but I mean, technically, I mean, it's
Cool.
either one.
Well, look, no, it's not like that.
Yeah, it's made like that.
The newer one I saw has an engine in the back.
Yeah, anyway,
And you feel like you're in an airplane.
he has
It
one
kind of
going to North
all around
Carolina. Well, there's only one he can find like that. So,
Did he tell you how much he spent on that thing?
a bunch.
Yeah, a whole bunch.
Enough that it would be like a house.
Yes.
Yes, something like that.
Yes.
They had one down there at the Chevrolet house that I had ordered.
Yeah.
When I had my pet figure get
An LS1 motor.
and I was just like, oh my.
350. Close enough to
I live
350.
here and there.
Yeah, we live down in South Dakota.
Oh, pretty cool.
Yeah, we don't try to get grandkids up here. They know they understand.
Oh, that's awesome. I've never been to one. No, this is my first time ever. Well, I had to work really late last night.
It's a convertible? It is a convertible.
Have a good one.
You know Don Johnson.
Have you had another Corvette
Yeah.
before?
This one, yeah, it's not bad. I like it. And this one looks kind of out of place with white with orange stripes. You know, I don't think they ever sold it like this. You know, because I'm used to seeing Camaros like this.
You know, and people have got the money to buy these things can order them the way they want them.
Yeah, I suppose.
I'm sure you go to Bowling Green up there so you can order it any way you
Yeah, that's what Zach told me about. He told me about that factory they have up there where you can just have them made.
want.
Yeah, I guess.
How we doing, Bo? Good. Yeah, that's
Now
all
this
places.
is
You'll see 'em
another
up there.
cruising machine.
You'll see them up there every now and then. They'll have like a convention, and all you'll be seeing on the interstate is Corvettes. You know, Corvettes.
This is another cruising machine.
Stingray.
Now, what do you think? Would you rather have one of these or one of them like that black one over there?
Black one.
The black one.
Me too. I think these look too classic to me.
Well, that's what they are.
They look too old.
Well, that's what they are.
I know. And you know they only made them like that with the split rear window for 1 year.
Well,
Yeah.
that makes them more valuable.
Exactly. And see,
That's
these are
what
the
you
kinds
gotta
that I like the 94 ones. And a lot of people don't like them. But you can find prices for these kinds like all over. You'll find some for like 15,000, some for 4,000. They have them real cheap.
Yeah. Because they made some colors.
Well, I mean, they made them like that for about 10 years, maybe 12 years.
Ready?
I hear the train a-coming. Yeah, we need to go back around this way, around... No, this one. We didn't even go around this one.